Hey everybody, we've got brand new Paw Patrol toys. And these are amazing. They are magnetic and it's called On a Roll Vehicle Set by Magformers. And you get to create your own Paw Patrol vehicle. Whoa! And they're all magnetic pieces so that you can build a vehicle. And you've got Rocky here. They also have Marshall and Chase and Rubble and all of your favorite characters. So we're gonna get this unboxed and build, but we also have Skye and Everest. See there? And this is the Pup and Away. And it has 25 magnetic pieces so that you can build Skye's airplane. Woohoo! I cannot believe that you get to build an airplane with all of these cool building blocks. I am really excited about getting all of these toys out of the box. Let's start with the On the Roll vehicle set. And we are gonna build a pup vehicle. So let's go ahead and get started. Look at all of these fun pieces. And we get to build now. We've got these cool wheels. We are gonna build us some pup vehicles. And Marshall and Chase are back here and they are gonna help us. Now we've got these little pieces and they have our pup characters on them. And you can pull them out and flip them around. There is Ryder and we've got Chase. And then we've got a few more. Here is Marshall. Who's on the back of Marshall? Oh, look at that! It's the whole gang! It's all of the Paw Patrol. And here is Rubble on the double. And Zuma. And we've got Rocky. And Skye. So these are really neat. And what you do with these is you put them inside the rings, like that. And they're magnetic so that you can build. See that? Ta-da! So we are going to build us a vehicle. And this box set comes with some ideas for things that you can build. We've got the On a Roll vehicle, number 11. And that is Marshall's vehicle. Really cool. And we've got another vehicle. It's got Marshall on it. Here's one with the entire Paw Patrol. Super cool. And whoa, that's a neat vehicle. I don't even know what that is. Here's another one. Ooh, that's really neat. It's Rocky with his recycle truck. And here's another Rocky vehicle. And Skye. Now we've got to figure out which one we're gonna start building. We've got the Marshall vehicle. That's really cool. Let's start with this one. It has all the Paw Patrol on it. Let's build this. On a Roll vehicle number 1. Here we go. First up, we have our wheels. And how we attach those together is with this piece. There we go. Very cool. And then we need to start building up on top. We need a few blue rings here, like that. And this will keep those together. There we go. Then we need the right picture. And we need the picture of all the Paw Patrol pups. There we go. There's all the Paw Patrol pups. They're gonna snap in there and go right here so it looks like they're looking out the window. Next we need to build this side. And who do we want to put a picture of in here? Let's see. Let's do Rubble. Can we find Rubble on the double? Which one was he on? There we go. And we're gonna snap it in just like that. And he gets to look out this window. Then we need to build the top. There we go. We've got the top on. And we need to build the front. And we're going to use these two blue pieces to snap in. And another red piece. Ta-da! It's all put together. We've got the entire Paw Patrol, and Rubble's over here. I love that it really drives. All right, come over here and check it out, Chase and Marshall. Here we go. And you get to ride back here. This is so awesome. I love these cool toys. What should we build next? Let's build one more, and then we're gonna go over and build Skye and Everest from their set. Do you remember that? Really cool, so stick around for Skye and Everest set. But right now, let's build another vehicle. We are gonna pick this one, Honor Roll Vehicle 12 with Marshall. Very neat, kind of looks like a fire truck. All right, let's get started building this. I'm gonna take all this off, there we go. And we start with our base again, just like this. We are gonna put Rocky in here and let him ride in the back of Marshall's fire truck. So he's gonna sit in the very back, and we're gonna go like this. And go like this. So that is the back of the fire truck, and Rocky's back here. Uh-oh, we lost our wheels. There we go, that's better. And now we need to build the front where Marshall sits. According to the picture, it looks like it sits like this. So let's see how that works. There we go. Wow, it's sticking pretty well. Okay, that's gonna work. And let's see what's next. We need these two pieces up here. Uh-oh, this vehicle is a little harder to build. And here is a red one. There we go. And we need another piece back here. We're gonna put Rubble on there. Rubble on the double. He's gonna go back here. Okay, that held it all together really well. Whoa, it's like it's rocking back and forth. Ah, it crashed. I love these toys. And then we need to put a picture of Marshall on the front. So let's get Marshall in here. There we go. Snap that. And it sits right there. Marshall, you have a really cool vehicle. All right, load up, pups. Here is Marshall. He's gonna sit in here because he's driving. And then Chase is gonna sit back here. Woohoo! I love building with these sets. Meow. All right, Marshall, it's time to get the Everest and Sky Set out so we can build an airplane. Woohoo! This is gonna be so exciting. We've got all the Skye and Everest pieces out, and they are really neat, and it actually has a helicopter so that we can build Skye's airplane, and it has cards as well. Look at these. You can build the lookout tower for Skye and Everest, and then we've got the Skye Copter and the Rescue Copter. So many cool planes. This is the Ace Stunt Plane. And then we've got the Air Patroller, the Helicopter, the Snow Patrol Copter, and the Pup Mini Plane. Here's the Forest Patrol Copter, the Double Dog Copter, and the Buddy Boat. So these are really neat. Here's the Paw Propeller Plane, and we built this in a video on Girly Little Ones, so we already know how to do it. It was a little hard to figure out, and we took some practice tries, and we finally got it, so that was good. And let's go ahead and see if I remember how to put it back together. There we go. There is one, and we need another one up here, just like that. So we built a box, and then we're gonna start to build the tail on the back. There we go, like this. These I find a little harder to build because you don't have the wheelbase to start with, but they make such cool airplanes, and it is a lot of fun to have Skye and Everest as part of all of this. And let's keep building over here. I need another piece. Here we go. There we go. And then the wings, these all snap out, same as the other set. Like that. And they have pictures on both sides. The Skye and Everest and their badges. There we go. Snap it back in. And this is your wings. Look at that. We're getting good at this. And we gotta finish the tail. There you go. Uh-oh. There we go. Gotta keep it together. And we need to put the propeller on the front. Ta-da! We've built an airplane. Way to go, Skye and Everest. They're on their airplane. Woohoo! Good job, everybody. Now, let's build one more thing. And we will be done for the day. But we'll have to do more videos where we build the other things. Let me know down in the comments what you want us to build. All right. Ooh, look at that. Hey, I didn't even know it did that. That's super neat. That must be when it becomes a helicopter. Awesome. All right, let's build us a lookout tower. So, here we go. This one looks pretty easy. Skye and Everest lookout tower. Here we go. We need to take these pictures out. And we need our triangle pieces. Okay. There is the base of it. And we need to put one down like this. And build some walls. Here is Skye and Everest together. That's a perfect picture. There we go. And now we need to build the top. The top is going to have some small triangles. There we go. And one more. Just like that. We have a very small lookout tower for Skye and Everest. Really cute. These blocks are a lot of fun, and I enjoyed sharing them with you. I love the Everest set that has the propeller so you can build a helicopter, and we'll have to do that again real soon. And I also love this. Really, really cool. But I really enjoyed sharing all these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe for lots more toy videos. Thanks, guys!
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.